Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to FP Top Tech. Today we are counting down on the top 5 best 4K dash cam of 2024. Forget grainy footage and blind spots. Buckle up for a revolution in road trip protection and immersive capture with the top 5 4K dash cams ready to redefine your journey. Picture panoramic landscapes unfolding in stunning detail, squirrel antics documented with crystal clarity, and every twist and turn of the road captured with laser-sharp precision. You can buy these dash cam through the links given in the description below. We will start from number 5. Number 5. The Vantrue N4. Picture the thrill of capturing your road trip adventures in immersive 360 degrees detail without breaking the bank. The Vantrue N4 makes it a reality, proving that top-notch protection doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. It's your affordable entry point into the world of panoramic dash cams, ensuring you get peace of mind without draining your wallet. Imagine crisp and detailed footage at your fingertips, thanks to the N4's 4K wide-angle lens. Every twist and turn of the road, every breathtaking vista, and every hilarious squirrel encounter is captured with clarity and vibrancy. No more blurry license plates or grainy details. The N4 ensures you have the evidence you need, should the unfortunate happen. Darkness doesn't hold the N4 back. Super night vision and HDR technology work together to pierce through shadows and offer you a clear view of your surroundings, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're navigating a moonlit highway or a dense forest at dusk, this little powerhouse keeps you safe and informed. And let's not forget about parking mode and motion detection. The N4 keeps your car watched like a hawk even when you're not there, automatically recording any suspicious activity and providing you with valuable evidence in case of a parking mishap. It's your 24/7 guardian, ensuring your valuable vehicle is always protected. Loop recording on the N4 ensures you never run out of storage space. Older footage is automatically overwritten while important clips are saved, maximizing your memory and allowing you to capture countless adventures without worry. It's a smart and efficient system that lets you focus on the road, knowing your camera is taking care of the rest. The N4 doesn't skimp on user experience either. Its intuitive interface and easy-to-use controls make it a breeze to operate, even for tech novices. And for those who prefer a minimalist touch, the N4's compact design blends seamlessly into your car's interior, becoming a discreet guardian you can rely on. So if you're looking for a 360 degrees dash cam that offers peace of mind, impressive features, and budget-friendly value, the Vantrue N4 is your perfect match. It's the road trip companion you can afford, ensuring you capture every memorable moment and keep your car protected, mile after mile. Number 4. DDPAI X2 Pro. Forget sifting through hours of footage to find that one important moment. The DDPAI X2 Pro is your AI-powered copilot, automatically highlighting important events in your journey, saving you precious time and frustration. Imagine a dash cam that not only captures everything, but also tells you what's worth watching. It's like having a personal editor on board, ensuring you never miss a critical moment. But the X2 Pro's intelligence goes beyond event detection. Control the camera effortlessly with voice commands or simple gestures, keeping your hands firmly on the wheel. Need to capture a breathtaking view? Just say, "Okay, X2 Pro, record that." Need to adjust settings? A flick of your wrist is all it takes. It's a hands-free experience that lets you focus on the road while still staying in control of your camera. Safety is always a top priority with the X2 Pro. Loop recording automatically overwrites older footage while saving important clips, ensuring your storage space is always optimized. Parking mode with motion detection keeps your car watched even when you're not there, automatically recording any suspicious activity and providing you with valuable evidence if needed. Number 3. Garmin Dash Cam Live 360. Imagine cutting the cord and live streaming your adventures directly from your car. The Garmin Dash Cam Live 360 makes it a reality with built-in LTE connectivity. Share your breathtaking vistas, nail-biting maneuvers, and scenic detours with the world in real time. No Wi-Fi hotspot needed. It's like having a mobile broadcast studio strapped to your windshield, capturing every moment and sharing it with the click of a button. Forget just watching your road, while also painting a stunning 5.7K masterpiece of your journey. But beyond the beauty, it secretly whispers sweet safety nothings in your ear. Feeling drowsy? It'll nudge you back to alertness with a gentle alert. Need to check on that package? Transform your phone into a live feed, giving you eyes and ears inside your car from anywhere. Worried about storage? This cam lets you choose specific zones to monitor, saving space and focusing on what truly matters. And if you crave precision, calibrate its safety features for razor-sharp accuracy, ensuring they're always there to help you avoid danger. The road never ends with this camera as your companion. But the Live 360 isn't just about entertainment. It's your vigilant guardian angel on the road. Receive instant alerts for incidents like sudden stops or lane departures, ensuring you stay safe and aware. And for added peace of mind, store your precious footage securely in the cloud with optional Garmin subscriptions. No more worrying about losing your memories or having your SD card corrupted. Your adventures are always accessible, anywhere, anytime. The Live 360 doesn't forget the practicalities either. Voice control lets you operate the camera hands-free, keeping your focus on the road, and its driver coaching features provide valuable insights into your driving habits, helping you become a safer and more efficient driver. It's like having a personal driving instructor on board, always offering tips and feedback to improve your skills. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or a weekend adventurer, the Garmin Dash Cam Live 360 is your perfect companion. Capture your journey in real time, share it with the world, and stay safe and informed with its advanced features. It's the ultimate live streaming dash cam, ready to turn your every road trip into an unforgettable adventure. Number 2. The Thinkware F200 Pro. Imagine never missing a breathtaking vista, a close call on the freeway, or even the mischievous squirrel darting across the road. The Thinkware F200 Pro seamlessly stitches together a 360 degrees panorama of your journey, ensuring you capture every detail without any pixelated gaps or jarring transitions. It's like having a digital artist constantly weaving a tapestry of your adventures. But the F200 Pro isn't just about artistic flair. It's a powerhouse of coverage, capturing both the front and rear of your vehicle simultaneously in jaw-dropping 5.7K resolution. No hidden corners go unnoticed. No tailgaters escape detection. You get a holistic view of the road, leaving you feeling secure and informed with every mile. Darkness doesn't deter the F200 Pro's watchful gaze. Super Night Vision 3.0 pierces through the shadows, revealing even the faintest details in low light conditions. Whether it's navigating through a moonlit tunnel or a dense forest at dusk, this camera keeps you seeing clearly, allowing you to drive with confidence even in the darkest environments. Safety takes center stage with the F200 Pro's advanced features. Lane departure warning alerts you if you start drifting, keeping you safely within your lane. Forward collision warning gives you precious seconds to react if the car ahead stops suddenly, potentially preventing an accident. It's like having a virtual safety net, always watching out for you on the road. Connecting and controlling the F200 Pro is a breeze. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you seamlessly transfer footage and access settings directly from your phone. It's an intuitive and user-friendly experience, freeing you to focus on your journey while still staying in control of your camera. The F200 Pro doesn't compromise on design either. Its sleek and compact form blends seamlessly into your car's interior, making it a discreet guardian that doesn't attract unwanted attention. And for those who appreciate a touch of personal style, the F200 Pro comes in a variety of color options to match your personality. Number 1. The Blackberry DR900X2 CH. Imagine your road trip captured in cinematic detail, every nuance revealed with the clarity of a diamond. The Blackberry DR900X2 CH achieves this through its dual Sony STRVS sensors, painting the canvas of your journey in stunning 4K HDR. License plates become crystal clear, distance signs emerge in sharp focus, and even the asphalt texture whispers its details. It's like having a high-definition movie camera strapped to your windshield, leaving no pixel unseen. But the DR900X2 CH isn't just about artistic flair. Its 360 degrees panorama eliminates blind spots, providing a panoramic shield around your vehicle. No sneaky squirrel scurrying across the road, no tailgater lurking in your shadow escapes its gaze. This camera captures it all, offering irrefutable evidence in case of an incident, a digital witness with laser-sharp vision. Darkness holds no dominion over the DR900X2 CH. Super Night Vision technology cuts through shadows, revealing even the subtlest details in low-light conditions. Whether navigating moonlit highways or parking in pitch-black garages, this camera ensures you see clearly, even when the sun sinks below the horizon. And there you have it, our top 5 best 4K dash cams of 2024. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you have any queries or want more information, feel free to ask in comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find this helpful. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated to our latest tech reviews. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.